Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Y'all, I had to take a breath because good morning, happy Thursday again. I think it's June 25th, I think. Guys, I had to take a deep breath because we're doing too much. We got to slow down, okay? I got to slow down. You got to slow down. If you're doing too much, this is right now, this is tea time. We ain't got nothing to drink today or anything, but this is tea time. Slow down. It's going to be okay because, y'all, you got to slow down. You got to slow down or you're going to be a wreck, okay? And that's for myself and for you guys. So I will show you outfit today in a second. I did put on my black woman this morning. This video is not going to be that long because I have to go. And I'm trying to put a video up on the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. Go over there and follow me if you're not. Simply Black Vegan. What are you talking about? Simply Black Vegan. Go check me out. I'm going to be wearing Floriano cedarwood. Here it is here. Y'all, I told you she's getting better at this. Look, there it is. So this is the Mugler. So I don't know who is Mugler. And I don't have my glasses on to see. But whoever that, like, designer luxury name brand. Y'all, sorry. It's a gnat or something that just flew on my freaking eye. Oh, gosh. Sorry about that. But, yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. That's what I'm wearing today. So, guys, y'all, yesterday I figured out why I couldn't. Hold on. First of all, y'all, let me back up. Back up, Sonia, and just calm down. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Can y'all see the shoes? These are my Fashion Nova jeans that my daughter gave me. I like them. They got pockets in the back for my phone. And yeah, and I got on this little crop top here. So anyway, the reason why I could not put the cards on the video yesterday right away, so whoever, like the first person who watched the video, because guys, doing too much. I unplug. I always leave my stuff unplugged unless I'm using it. So I end up unplugging the box for your internet. So that is why. So that's why I'm saying we need to just take a chill pill and calm the down, okay? So here's the hairstyle today. So guys, let's go in the kitchen real quick. I gotta grab my things and then I gotta go. Y'all, in the morning, look at this. I love it. Wake up to that every day. You'll be like, woo, woo-sa. So anyway, guys, trying to think what the heck what I was getting ready to say. Oh, go over and check out the other channel, Simply Black Vegan, because I'm going to upload my Brussels sprouts dish probably today, which is going to be Thursday. But you'll see this on the video on Thursday for the food, and then you'll see this video on Friday. So yeah, let me grab my things here. So guys, this is what I'm having. I'm having cherries, my pink peaches, and water I'm taking this morning. And let me show y'all really quick how crisp this wall came out. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see how crisp the wall is? Look, you don't see anything that looks like out of the ordinary. So that's how that turned out. And I have an idea for something else in here. And you guys can, let me put this back. And then you guys can like, tell me if I should. Let me put this back on here because I don't want it to fall while I'm away from home. And crack or anything. So I'm going to make sure it's even on both sides. There we go. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. So guys, I want to sand this down. This is so lovely. I want to sand this down really, really good. If you guys are wondering, I don't know where this came from, but it was $24.99, but it cost me $3. That's what that green thing is. It's $3. But I want to sand this down really good, just a little bit, and I want to go over it with a gray or just leave it however I can sand it. So you guys let me know what you think. But in the meantime, y'all, I gotta go. I will see you guys later, okay? All right, y'all, I ain't gonna be on here that long because I'm driving and I don't like driving and doing that. But I cannot wait to get back home so I can show you guys these canvases. You're gonna be like, now don't get me wrong, I know I do great I know I do. That's something that I do. I love art. Art is good for your mental state too. It calms you down and it just soothes you. So that's another reason why I like to paint canvases. But I did over all the three, let's see, 1, 2, 3, all the three canvases for the simple fact, you guys should remember the old canvases. They were really busy, and the reason for that was because the house had like mirrored stuff, and mirrored stuff is like very, very busy. You know what I mean? So toning it down to the environment now, which is peace and calmness, that's the difference. So I will show y'all later how they came out, but they are actually beautiful. I don't know if I told you guys the temperature or not, but it is really nice here. It's about it's gonna get up to 86 degrees today. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all later. Guys, I'm home. It's around 3 minutes to 8, somewhere in there, give or take. Don't hold me to it. But today is the 24th, y'all. Today is Thursday the 24th. So you guys are going to see this video. Let me keep my head right here. You guys are going to see this video tomorrow, I think. Or maybe, I don't know. It could be later on this evening, Thursday. But yeah, guys, go over and check out the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. I did post the video that I told you guys I was going to post. Y'all, I'm tired. She's tired. I've been on the move today, getting things done. Not house stuff, I'm just saying in general. Yesterday I did do the work on the canvases. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to show you guys all 3 of the newly decorated canvases. But like I was saying in the car earlier this morning, that my house is very cozy, very, how can I put it? You could just feel the earthy, simplistic, natural vibes in here, and I get it from all my company. Everybody who ever comes in this, steps foot in this house, always says that it is very, very, they can feel the good energy in here. It's very simplistic and like peaceful. So I'm gonna go, enough of that, y'all. Just take it all in, what I'm going to show y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this camera around, and don't forget, y'all, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world can be a much better place. I'm going to get ready to start from in the back, from the one that we worked on before. All right, guys, we are in here. So are y'all ready? Because I'm ready. I'm just ready to show y'all, get it over with. This room is done. Like I said, hands down, I want another chair, you know, like this one here. I want another one of these if I can find it. And that will be it for in here. Like completely done. No more, no less. Don't even think about it, because she's not bringing nothing else in here except for chair. And I think I mentioned I might want another rug for the living room, because I like that rug, but I don't know. We'll see. And because I got to figure out like where I'm going to put it, or will I resell it? Maybe I might resell it because nobody walks on it or anything. So yeah. So y'all ready to see? Y'all ready to see? Y'all, look at that. Look at her. She's so pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. So yes, I added, remember I told you I was going to do all in where it was like a grayish white. I did it all in white. I traced over the black with some more of the black matte that showed you yesterday. And I went over it with the antique gold. It is very pretty. So guys, I could either hang this that way. You know what I mean? I can hang it horizontally, but I have it lengthwise. So yeah, let me know what y'all think in those comments. I know y'all will. I know you will. Y'all ready for the next one? And then we're gonna probably, like, in this video, I'm trying to watch me a good movie this evening so I can fall asleep. She's tired. So hold the line. Ready for the next one? Ready for the next one? Because we're gonna have to end this video, y'all, because like I said, she's tired. All right, let's go. Let's bag it up first. I can see. Bag it up. Ooh, so you don't bag it to the table now. Don't bag it to the table. All right, y'all. Bam! Yeah, she beautiful, right? I know. So all I did here, guys, I left the gold trim. I will be signing this like I always do, but I had to cover this up. But there's the gold trim, matte black, and I just kept these 2 white and the gold, y'all. Let me step back so you guys can see. She is the canvas queen, right? You guys, I'm taking orders. So that's that one. Looks really good, right? Yeah, looks good. All right, guys, we're in the office. I had to turn on my my other lights, my ring light. So are y'all ready to see my office canvas? She's so pretty. She's so pretty, y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Because I got to get ready to go. Okay, let's turn her camera around. All right, y'all. There she is. Isn't she pretty? Look at that, y'all. Look at that. So let's go a little closer. So I did leave, if you guys can see, the gold. I got the gold rim here. I still have that. And yes, this part is a little shinier because I just kept that one because it was already black, but I might go over it with the black matte. I think I will because I have a little bit left. And then I'm going to trace over this with brighter white. So that is what she looks like, y'all. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? Look at that. So pretty, y'all, in this space. So let me know in the comments, because I know you guys will. What do you guys think about the canvases? I absolutely love them all three of them. They bring me great joy, great peace. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, please consider thumbing it up. Please consider sharing the channel. Also consider subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next video really soon. Peace and love. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. Guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.